Magaling ba?
Magaling. Happy pa. Joke lang, take no.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There's something about your eyes. Tell me this feeling's unusual. 'Cause feelings are so hard to fight. No, it's a little soon, maybe. But I know it take me. No, easy calling me, baby. They can all call us crazy. Let's get married in Vegas. We don't need a guest list. I don't wanna think too much. Let's get matching tattoos. I don't wanna think it through, baby. I'm so stupid in love, so stupid in love with you. Yeah. I'm so stupid in love, so stupid in love with you. I'm so stupid in love, so stupid in love with you. I'm so stupid in love, stupid in love with you. Stupid in love, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
How did it started?
Ayun, nung first date namin, sinabi niya talaga, date to marry ako, mama.
Ganon. Oh my God! Kaya ganon. No doubt. Na
Kaya parang 3 months pa lang kami, tara na magpakasal.
right
I'm happy
age.
for you.
Oh my God.
Big heart.
Arte lang.
Through the wandering down our different roads.
Sa'yo mo nakita kay Ana, anong dito meron siya?
Nakakuan ko, pre. Na-love at first sight ko, pre.
Love at first sight, hindi ay?
Oo.
Round its blood.
Talaga pa.
So excited for today. Tapos makita yung mga guests natin. Sana naka-attend sila lahat.
Same here. I love you so much.
Into the always.
Natutunan ko ang halaga ng katatagan, ng katapatan, at ng tunay na pagmamahal na hindi sumusuko. Hindi ko hinahanap ang bagong simula, pero ikaw ang dumating. Mas marunong na akong magmahal, hindi lang dahil sa sugat ng nakaraan, kundi dahil sa pag-asang dala mo ngayon.
The night is dark and the winds are cold. The ground we walk.
Heart and soul ko, hindi ko na mahanap kung saan. Hindi ko na alam kung para saan. Ba't sa dami ng ganap at failure sa buhay ko. Now, all fall into place.
Into the always.
Magpapatawad ako, hindi dahil madali, kundi dahil mahal kita. Pangako kong sabay tayong lalakad, hindi bilang perpektong magkapareha, kundi bilang dalawang taong handang magtulungan at magmahal ng buo.
Into the always. Into the always. Into the
I want to say thank you for loving me unconditionally, lalo na sa palaging pag-extend help, solve kahit maliit na bagay. I love you so much.
each page composed, every line creates a map of home and our memories.
Buong puso kong sa'yo ngayon, mahal kita, buo ako, buo ang loob ko, at buong kung pipiliin ka ngayon, bukas at habang buhay.
I'll walk with you into the open.